never get comfortable walking on those grates.
No, I hate them.
Like, every time I come to New York City, I'm always a little weird walking, but look. You can hear the subway, but you're in New York, you can hear everything. New York is a town where, like, noise is music, right?
Yeah.
But today, we're gonna go check out Chelsea Market. What do you know about Chelsea Market?
Not much. I know it's a lot of food, and I know a lot of people told us to go there, but I've never been there, so I don't know really what to expect.
So we're gonna go check out Chelsea Market, and we're gonna take tons of cool B-roll. It's all gonna start right now. My name's Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
And this is How's My Living? You know what's crazy is everybody thinks New York City is like packed all the time. Like every street you're just packed in, but like this little street we're on right now is quiet as it can be. Like we're right next to the river, just right outside of Times Square. And look, it's empty. So there is peaceful streets in Manhattan, and it's quiet here, and it's really pretty. A jazz club called Swing 46. You know, I feel like you could spend an entire day just on a single street because like there's so much to offer in New York City. Like we passed like restaurants that we've never even heard of before, like food and stuff, and just tons of cool things. Like realistically, you know, they say if there's something to be had, you can find it in New York City, and I feel like that's 100% true. Like it really is. Like everywhere here there's something to do or something to have. Like whatever you want, New York City got it. It's really cool. Like there's tons of just little shops and like crazy things to look at. Like you can spend hours here.
Yeah.
Like right there is just a bakery, and people's in there baking. Like you just sit there and watch them bake, and there's different types of food and everything. Chelsea Market's awesome.
As you walk through, you get the sense of what's coming up.
Oh yeah, we passed a lobster place, and it's like maybe not the best thing to have in an enclosed place, but unless you're in the mood for lobster. We got the gabagool. Oh, if you guys don't know, gabagool is capicola. That's just what they call gabagool. They started on The Sopranos. I don't know if that was a New Jersey thing, but they call it gabagool. So if you hear gabagool, it's capicola. Look at all these Italian cheeses, man.
We should buy Richard a couple cheeses because he loves cheese.
Yeah. Oh, Richard ain't with us today because him kind of wasn't feeling that great. Look at all this amazing stuff. Chelsea Market got so much cool stuff. I don't know what that is. That's just weird. It's cool though. Looks like a tree made out of nothing but like potpourri stuff, like dried roses and dried flowers. It looks really cool. Okay, I know everybody says it's like weird to come to like New York City for tacos, but everybody says that the taco place here in Chelsea Market is like one of the best places that you can go. Plus, there's tons of food here, man. It's like insane. And where it's a Monday, it's kind of like a slow day.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. So we're gonna try to find us some tacos. Check out this line. The tacos is like back there. Like nothing else is busy. We're gonna mask up because it's New York City, just in case, you know? Okay, so these look pretty incredible. What do you think?
Yeah. What are these?
I don't know.
Pineapple?
Yeah, I think it's pieces of pineapple. I want to try yours first because I told the guy no onion on hers and just cilantro and onion on mine, but I think he meant I didn't want any of it. So, oh, they're El Pastor tacos, and that was that big thing in there they was cutting all the meat off of. Like, how do you not get those?
Yeah.
You gotta try those.
Wow. That's delicious.
Those are absolutely delicious tacos, ain't they?
We eat the tacos home in Florida all the time, and these might be better.
All right. So the tacos in Chelsea Market, if you've heard them, definitely not just hype. Definitely not just Instagrammable. They're really good. Okay, I tried to get more stuff, but it got a little crazy in there. Started getting really packed. But Chelsea Market's really cool. You come to New York City, you definitely want to get those tacos. And it was really cool. It reminded me of, like, you know, the little like backwoods and like back streets you see in, like, in Tokyo and stuff like that.
Yeah.
The little small places to eat, and they're all like, but every place is like really unique. Like there was like a craft beer spot, and then there was like a place that said Japanese inspired Mexican tacos. Like you could tell it's like the real hipster spot of New York City. Like it's really cool.
Yeah, it was definitely cool. They had so many different options of food to choose from. You definitely have to go back and try more stuff.
Yeah, you can't go on it. Like, I mean, we got one day in New York. We're trying to do our best, and we want to eat a lot of things, and we're gonna eat a lot of things. So if you don't mind, if you like this video, hit the like button, maybe hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification, because our next few videos is gonna be more New York City. So appreciate you guys for watching. I'm Rich.
And I'm Tiffany.
That's Chelsea Market, and this is
How's my living?